don't think you caught my joke.
You said what?
I said they look yummy.
Oh, I thought you said yummy.
Yeah.
The food jokes are back.
Sushi time!
Yes.
Yay!
So we're making vegan sushi.
Yes. And we're gonna do some sweet potato, or this is yam actually, Japanese yam tempura.
Okay.
And avocado. We've already got our wasabi ready, our shoyu, and some pickled ginger that we're gonna have as decor.
Like that?
This is gonna be for the chickpea batter.
Okay.
The tempura batter.
What do I start with?
Start with the chickpea flour, do 1 cup of that.
I mean, it's stuck in there.
What am I witnessing?
It's stuck in there. There we go. How much baking powder?
Half a spoonful.
Half a spoonful.
Like even less. Okay, and then 2 spoonfuls of tapioca flour.
Oh.
That's just to make this chickpea flour feel like real tempura batter. I hope. I don't know. That's the plan.
All right. We're locked in.
We want a loose but chunky batter.
I'll let you do the final touches, but I think we did a good job there.
Looks good, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put some of these guys in to the batter.
Okay.
All right, these go into the fryer. Just do 1 first and see how.
What's the fryer?
Right there.
This one? Mm-hmm. What's in there right now?
Oil.
Sunflower?
We got sunflower oil, just like an inch. Lovely, lovely. Awesome. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm on a heater today. I'm on a heater right now. Feeling good about myself.
So while that's frying, would you like to cut?
I would love to cut it. I would love to cut it.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is so exciting. This is my favorite avocado, those Hawaiian ones.
Yeah, they're really green.
So good. Yeah.
Super green.
But right.
Okay. You go there. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, you would have thought I've been doing this my whole life. Let's flick this little thing out of here. Oh, there it goes.
So we're gonna cut them into long strips so that it can fit inside our sushi roll. All right, shiny side down.
Shiny side down, remember that. Yep.
Stripes the same way as the sushi roller stripes.
Okay, okay.
And we need our sushi rice. Uh-oh. Okay.
Okay, so we've got the shiny side down.
Got shiny
Lines are with the sushi roll line.
Correct.
We've got our sushi rice.
Yes.
We've got our avocado.
Yep.
We're ready to roll right now.
We're just missing one thing.
And what's that? The tempura yams. She thought I forgot. I'll give you these.
Cool.
I'll put some yams in.
Ooh, those look yummy. Mm.
They really do look good.
I don't think you caught my joke.
You said what?
I said they look yummy.
Oh, I thought you said yummy.
Yeah.
The food jokes are back.
Oh my goodness.
Are they good?
You ever to try one of these outside of the sushi roll?
Heat?
Really good. Like some of the best French fries I've ever had.
Okay, I'm coming. These are heat.
They're so good.
These are straight heat. So we've got our tempura yams,
Yes.
our sushi rice, our avocado. As we've mentioned before, shiny side down, lines with the lines. Rice is on, what goes next?
Rice is on. Let's put some avocado next.
Uh-oh, too thick.
A little too thick.
Uh-oh.
That was the last one.
Who cut that? Who cut that?
Okay, how about some yams? You can put them on.
We're at to the right here?
Just right on top.
Oh, straight on top, got it. Oh, wow.
You should put like double yam, because that's the yummiest part, the yummiest part.
The yummiest part. It fell.
I can't stop. All right, and then I'll roll the first one and you're gonna roll the next one.
We need a little lemon, don't we?
Oh yes. What?
You know what I'm saying?
I totally forgot. This sushi rice, by the way, I made it with brown rice, and I'm avoiding any kind of processed sugars now. So I use dates, and I blended dates into the vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar for this one. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of water. So
there's the knife. I'm like, where'd the knife go?
This is a first for me, doing sushi rice with dates. We'll see. Tastes pretty good. Okay. Rolled. My sous chef remembered the lemon. He's graduating to master chef. Okay, very nice.
Very nice.
There we go. One roll done.
One roll down. Okay.
I like it.
I'm up now. I gotta follow. All right. Here we go.
How's it going?
I'm taking my time.
Okay.
Too much?
No.
Good?
Good.
You sure?
Yep. But we gotta use a little bit of finger action to press it down.
Okay. Ma'am.
Ooh.
So now we go with this? Mm-hmm. Okay, help me out here. I go there?
Yep, so you're gonna do a big tuck, roll, and tuck.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to set up our plate. We're just gonna cut these guys.
I might be eating all the Yam fries.
Yeah, I see. You know you're not invisible, right?
I wasn't sure you noticed.
I also can hear really well, and they're very crunchy. We garnish with some sesame seeds and nori flakes.
It looks pretty cool.
Awesome.
It looks pretty cool.
Ta-da!
That looks pretty cool.
Should we try one?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. There it is.
With dip.
Small. I mean, it's heat.
Super good.
It's straight heat. I'm pretty hyped about that. You want a yam fry?